Hello everyone. On our website we have a indicator library downloads. Simply you can go ahead and take a look at all the indicators that are listed there and see if you like something and go ahead and download it. Before I show you how to access that page and a little bit more information about that page, I want to go through several of the indicators, but I can't go through all of them, unfortunately. Not enough time. There's too many for me to try to cover in one video. So this let's go ahead and look at several, and then we'll go ahead and look at the library page of the indicator downloads. This is a swing high, swing low indicator. The swing highs are plotted in this magenta color, and swing lows are trend lines are plotted in this cyan color. Now this is used for support and resistance, or just to keep track of new highs, new lows, etc. So you have resistance, and we come back and test it, and price is rejected. Here we broke out of a prior high, and as you can see, these traditional support and resistance levels based on pivots, pivot high, pivot lows, are commonly used, and in fact simple but quite useful way of trading. Let me show you a little bit about the inputs. This is the number of days, so you can change this to 1 or you can change it to 30. However, if you go beyond a certain amount of days, it will slow down your computer based on your computer's ability to process information. Just there'll be so many lines. This is the right strength, the left strength. So you can set it to 3 bars on the right and 3 bars on the left. That would be the strength of the swing point. That pretty much covers this one. Let's look at, this is a market delta indicator, which gives you, so what it does is give you the net delta. As you can see on this bar that we broke out of this high, quite a high delta, and we correct a little bit, push up one more time, but there's no delta, no buying, there's no positive delta. Okay, as we sell off, delta picks up. Notice here as we rally, the delta declines, and again here as we start selling off, notice the delta from here to here picks up again, even prior to breaking this swing point. Okay, so it's a fairly useful indicator. I should say more than fairly. If you study it, you can use it quite successfully. Next indicator is the directional day filter. This is an attempt to separate the trading session into different compartments. Okay, these separations are controlled through the user input. For example, currently a lunch break would be initiated at this time, and resuming trading would be initiated at this time. Below here you have stats for the day, which is plotted a little bit after the open. You have the intraday low and intraday high plotted. There's some other directional filters here that's plotted. The code itself, if you're interested in coding, taking a look at the code, you get some good ideas you can learn from it. And there's some good ideas here as well, how to separate the day into different sessions and look at your setups within the context of these separations and see how your setups would perform. And then you could, for example, say, okay, I do really well between X time and X time, and that's when I want to focus my trading on. So you can get good ideas from it. This is a ever so popular indicator with a lot of folks who trade. Now, this is just a squeeze, the Bollinger Band squeeze. So with the shaded histograms, squeeze is the red dots, and this is also available. There's a lot more indicators like this that are very popular. I'm not showing them on the chart here, but they are available on that download page as well. So let me show you the download page. So you have Tradestation indicator library, downloads, what you have here is Tradestation indicators, and this is the name of each indicator: countdown timer, auto pivots, high, low, etc. And here you have download ELD, which you would just click on. Okay, all the ELDs are on the right. So for example, say you want to download pivot high, you would click on that, then click next, and you would click finish, and just another box will open, and you would click OK on that, and you would be done. Now, how to access this page, what you would do, type zuna.com, ZUNAA.com, and I must have done something wrong. Once you're at the home page, click on indicators, and scroll down to free indicator download link. Click on that, and you'll be directed to this page here. You'll be directed to this page here. Do check this page quite often, because what we do is for a couple days we don't add anything, and then we add several indicators. So I would recommend to come back and check the page just to see all the indicators that are on there. You might find something that you've been looking for, but you don't have it yet, and you'll be able to find it here. Hopefully this helps a lot of you guys, kind of a little bit of community service from us. So if you guys have any other questions, let us know. Thanks.